Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a linden wood trim. Panoramic sunroof. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Pink set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, power liftgate, Premium 3 package with hands-free access, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 29,668 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.